Good morning, this is Mr. Vilas with a quick tutorial as to how to print an image onto the Sawgrass printer so that we are able to then attach it to a mug and use the mug press to put that image onto a mug. Earlier today, we're going to go over exactly what folders I want you to save your pictures to. For this assignment, I just want you to get a regular picture that's online. Nothing big, nothing. We're not going to get into actually making customizable images as of yet. I just want you to get a regular picture that you don't need to do anything with. So let's say that you do have that picture saved in the folder that I tell you. It won't be the same folder as I'm using here. For the demo, I'm just going to be using a picture that's in my picture file and in the picture folder. So you want to open up that folder. When you open up that folder, let's say that this is the folder that I told you to save it into, and you're going to have these different pictures. So let's say that we want to do this one right here. This is Wonder Woman. I want you to double click on it so that it can open up in this window here. Alright, just make sure that it looks nice and neat. It's the one that you want. And then right up here in the top right hand corner there is a printer button. And you're going to click on that, and then you're going to have this option up here in the top left hand corner that says printer, and it says Sawgrass. And what we want to do is we want to click on that and go to where it says Virtuoso Print Manager. Alright, and when you click on that, you're going to have these different settings. And what's going to be important is that you go to the paper size. Here, it's automatically on letter. The one that you want to go to that matches the size paper to the transfer paper that goes onto the mug is 3.5. These are in inches, so there's 3.5 inches times 9.125 or 125 thousandths. This is the one that you want to pick. And when you click on that, you'll see that it's going long ways. Okay, and the way that you want to fix that, you want to make sure that the orientation is in landscape. See, now that's in landscape, and this will wrap around the mug. And if you want the image to be bigger, then we need to, this here would make it too big. Alright, so it says shrink to fit. That's because the actual file, if you see it right up here, from this black line up to the edge of the file, it's trying to keep that same ratio here. And of course down here. So if you want this to be bigger, then we need to go back to the original picture and then change it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Quite honestly, as soon as I learn how to do that. This is a learning experience for me as well. But once you have this done, you want to go ahead and hit print. And when you hit print, what will end up happening is this settings for the Virtuoso Print Manager, this will come up. And this will show all of, the actual measurements, how it's going to come out. You want to make sure that you really don't want to touch any of this. I've already set it so where it needs to be. You definitely want it on mirror. Mirror definitely has to be clicked. And the reason why is because since we're transferring an image, it needs to print in a mirror image so that when we put it on the mug, it'll come out the right image. I know that's kind of confusing, but trust me, you're going to need that. Keep it on high quality. All right, and when you're ready, you just want to go ahead and hit print. And then once it prints, we attach it onto the mug. Thank you very much. And please review this video as often as you need to make sure that you have all the settings correct. All right, thank you.